How to use search voice on YouTube. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use search voice on YouTube. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our YouTube app right here. So let's click on our YouTube app. And then from in there, you can see the YouTube homepage, right? So on the upper corner, you can also see this search bar right here. So just click on the search bar, and in here you can search YouTube. You can just type in anything that you want, but in here you can also see this microphone icon. So if you click on the microphone icon right there, you can dictate it on what you want to do. So let's try that. And then as you can see, it actually respond to my command and they played. So they see it, which in here you can see that it's actually playing. I just pause it, and you can use another method of it, like for example you can head over and click play it, and as you can see you can actually just search for things right here without typing, and it will automatically search it for you using your voice. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use search voice on YouTube. If you have guys or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.